So this is for sprint 4 recording, and this is what's been done for sprint 4. So starting off, for the explanation part, we are starting with the game thread. Like once the space is spread, the timer thread has been run, and inside the timer thread, first we are finding the sound manager, and the add, and we are using the find function to find the sound ID. So the first one, that's what is going to be used for this demo. It is called demo, but for the it is called oboe, but for the demo, like it's been done for the sine field. So for 10, 20, 30 seconds, it just keeps like pan right, left, and center, and it keeps on repeating. So by going to the main part, this is the voice callback switching. It has been done by using the buffer. So as buffer, that is after like each part is gets over, we are just like finding a new wave, and we are calling the XOD to buffer, and we are just like passing the wave contains a buffer, and we are passing the values which is inside the wave buffer to our own buffer, and we are submitting this buffer to our source voice, and that's being played. And for this stitching, we are using the count, so that it like keeps on like going 1, 2, 3. Like after it's over, it goes. After each buffer gets ends, this function keeps on getting called again and again. So we are using the count to make sure that the stitching happens. So like initially the count will be 0, and count is updated, then it goes here, then it goes downstairs, and I mean down, and it keeps going down and down until the whole song is completed. And that and since we are using appending multiple buffer, we just have to like control one voice for the panning, and that we are doing. In the timer thread, you can see that I am passing in a float value to the pan. So this sends the value to the A sound side using the circular Q buffer, and over here and the command is being executed, and inside the command we are like in the A sound side we are passing the value again, and this goes to the and this goes to the playlist command, and playlist if I go to the playlist over here, I have like created the new pan command, and this is what is being used to like control the pan value. So since it's a mono, the out matrix has been 0, 1, 1, and we are using, we get the value, we pass on that value, and that value is being used to control. And now we are going for the demo. Now I'm pressing the space key. Yeah, and that's it for the demo. Thank you.
By the time I call him, it get, boy, when you miss one, it really goes crazy.